Okay, we're going to take a walkthrough of the weather classification using CNN Colab. And so what we're going to do first is we're going to run our imports. So again, we're going to import all the same basic things. We have a few things in here that we're going to be using to help process our data, and we'll get to that. So the first step we're going to do is really process the data. So this is importing all of our data, and it actually puts it into a folder for us. So we're going to run this. What it's doing is it's downloading the zip file and actually extracting the zip file into the data. And we can see this data when we go look over here. So let's take a look at our data set. If you go up and you go to this root, and then in the root you'll see a hidden directory called, and so you have to make sure you have hidden directories there, called CodeHS, and then our data set. And so the first thing we see is this weather here. And so right now we have 4 directories, a cloudy, a rain, and we have each of these contains a whole bunch of images. So what we want to do is split this into training data and validation data. And we're going to essentially create 4 different directories in each of those. So this code here does that. It kind of walks through the steps of it. Not important for you to know how to do this, but we're going to be able to use this here. So now it's done that over here. What we need to do is actually refresh it to see it. And so when we refresh, we now see that we've created a training directory and a validation directory. And in each of these, we have a set of cloudy, rain, sunrise, and sunshine. And then you go in here and you look, you have a set of cloudy data, and you also have some here. But the number of images is not the same in these. And we actually print those out so we can see, okay, we had this many images. And so we've split them into 2. 80% went into the training data and 20% went into the validation data.